EPB internet service restored. What happened? Breaking. Crisis averted. EPB restores internet after overnight outage. Early this morning, thousands of Chattanoogans awoke to find their internet service gone dark. But by 4:20 a.m., EPB confirmed all systems were back online. Let's break down what we know and why this matters. From chaos to recovery. Earlier today, reports surged of widespread internet disruptions linked to the electrical power board. Customers quickly realized official channels were overwhelmed. EPB's websites went dark, and phone lines became a bottleneck as residents sought answers. Left without reliable communication paths, frustrated users turned to EPB's Facebook page as a makeshift crisis hotline. This kind of community-driven troubleshooting raises important questions about modern customer service infrastructure, the bigger picture. But here's the big question. Why do critical outages so often leave customers without clear information? Whether it's the sudden absence of digital lifelines or the scramble to reach help during system failures, today's incident highlights tensions between legacy customer service systems and modern communication demands. EPB has yet to explain the outage's cause, which fuels speculation. Was this an isolated technical hiccup? A targeted cyber incident? The lack of immediate transparency leaves room for public concern, and this is exactly where the conversation gets complex. Should customers really have to go viral on social media to get help? Your term. If you were affected, how did you handle the internet blackout? Share your experience below. Should companies be required to maintain